Welcome. I'm so glad you could join me today. Come take a look at this wonderful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house here in Highland Lakes, a gated community in the Birmingham, Alabama metro area. So come on, let's go take a look. We're going to begin our little tour here in the very nice, very open foyer. I hope you took a look when you first came in of the foyer area, the beautiful hardwood floors, this really, really nice staircase going up to the second floor. As we go to our left here, we're in the formal dining area. The continuation of the gorgeous hardwood floors, the chair rail, vaulted ceiling, recessed lighting, just a very stunning look in this dining area. Very nice. Let's go into the kitchen. Kitchen area, very nice size. Now we're in the formal living area. I want you to come in and take a look. Again, a continuation of the beautiful hardwoods, plantation shutters, gas log fireplace, very open room, huge ceilings, well lighted, can be set up in many, many different ways. But this is a wonderful gathering space. On your right, you'll see a downstairs hall half bath, well located right off the living room area down this small hall. Here's the laundry area, spacious, and it also includes a laundry sink, which most people do like a laundry sink. Now we're in the master bedroom, again a continuation of the gorgeous hardwood floors into this large master, recessed ceiling, plantation shutters, beautiful crown molding, very, very spacious, livable area in here. It leads right into the master bath. Obviously tile floors, separate shower tub. Double bowl vanity. The water closet that leads into the regular closet. This is one of the favorite rooms for the family that owns this house. I think they spend so much time out here. You've got wonderful light. It's heated and cooled. It's unique. When this sunroom was added to this house, they brought it and built it around an existing retaining wall. So nothing was changed. The back was not kicked out or pushed out any. They actually built it right on top of the retaining wall, which is such a neat way of doing things. It's got lovely tile flooring. Just a very comfortable, inviting area. On one side, you've got a patio to sit outdoors or grill or whatever that wraps around to the side of the house. And on the other side, you've got a yard where they've decided to place their large outdoor dining table, and that has a grill on that side of it. We're up here now on the second floor of the house on this Widow's Walk hall, I believe it is, looking down on the main living room area. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. This is one of the guest rooms up here. Very spacious. Looking down onto the open foyer area. This is another bedroom up here. Lots of closets and storage space. Very nice. Thanks for coming in and taking a look at this 3,200 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Be sure to catch our drone footage. There's a beautiful park about a block from here that's right in this neighborhood that everybody enjoys. We hope you'll come take a look at this house. We know you'll love it. Thanks for being with us.